Alright, here's another corner. This one's called Linstead Hospital Gets New DrugServe Pharmacy. A new DrugServe Pharmacy constructed at a cost of $31 million has been officially opened at the Linstead Hospital in St. Catherine. The facility was opened last Thursday by Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton. The pharmacy is expected to reduce the average waiting time for the dispensing of drugs to an estimated 20,000 people in Linstead and adjoining communities. It is the latest addition to the expanding health services at the 150-year-old hospital and is funded by the National Health Fund. NHF. Tufton, along with NHF Chief Executive Officer Everton Anderson, promised to erect the pharmacy at the opening ceremony for the new Accident and Emergency Department in April this year. Disclosed that $200 million so far has been spent to improve service delivery at the hospital in the past 2 years. Quote unquote, I'm happy to say that the charge I gave for the pharmacy to be completed for Christmas has met on time and within budget, Tufton stated. Quote unquote, I must commend NHF for continuing to fulfill its mandate as the most efficiently run public organization in the country. The health minister continued to point out that the average waiting time for patients to get drugs at the DrugServe pharmacies has been reduced to 30 minutes, in most cases down from 6 to 7 hours. He added that NHF has significantly overcome the challenge of the extended waiting time that had plagued them in the past, calling it a great achievement by the award-winning state organization. Turning to the proposed National Health Insurance Scheme, which he described as universal health care, Tufton indicated that the public dialogue is ongoing to agree on the best way to implement the program. He made that paying for such a scheme with an effective service delivery mechanism remains his greatest challenge. He urged Jamaicans to begin to plan for health care in their retirement years. The hospital also received a donation of $1 million from Tradewinds Citrus Limited, which raised the funds from their annual 5K run. Alright, cool. Alright. So basically, the DrugServe Pharmacy was constructed at Linstead Hospital in St. Catherine for $31 million. Alright, it was open last week, Thursday. Alright, so long as it helps people who needs the help, that's number cool. And I think I've done something about Linstead and the DrugServe Pharmacy. It was earlier this year or last year, so I consider it's a follow-up to a previous story. But I have to go way back into the archives to remember that which year it was, either this year or last year. But all right, as long as it's in good condition, it helps people needs the help, and people who need this pharmacy are benefiting from it. All right, I can't really knock anyone for it. So that's pretty much what I have to say. And I like doing recordings like this to highlight that things that nation building. So anyways, this is going into state of Jamaica and the Caribbean. But check out my main pages, Miles Goodson Farron, and also Miles Youth Productions. Alright, that's it.